Ground step for pushback truck and A330 2020.
1000.
Understood. Report fully ready for push. Yes, sir.
Check. Stable. Clear to land, wind 160 at 7. Check. Check.
$500. $400.
Check.
100 above. 300. Minimum. 200.
344 Toga is ready. Thunderstorms 344, push back to disconnect point Tango 9er.
100.
Disconnect point to Tango 9er.
80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 10, 5.
CV049, taxi Alpha, hold short.
Spoilers. Reverse green. D cell. Okay, this is Golf. The next one is Juliet. Releasing.
Auto brake off.
Car 3, ground to you around Delta 20 to let me know when it's good for the Seaver.
70 knots.
Car 3, thank you. Delivery, good evening, Emirates 405, heavy, stand Delta.
Okay, I have control.
Ready to copy departure, clearance to Dubai.